Good morning, John. How's everything going?
Good morning, Sarah. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. Let's get started with our meeting. We need to discuss the upcoming project and our team's tasks.
Absolutely. I've reviewed the project brief, and I have a few ideas I'd like to share.
Great. Why don't you start by giving us an overview of your ideas?
Sure. First, I think we should focus on enhancing the user experience on the website. We can start by simplifying the navigation and making it more intuitive.
That sounds like a solid plan. What about the design elements? Do you have any specific suggestions?
Yes, I do. I suggest we use a more modern color scheme and update the visual elements to align with current trends. Also, adding interactive elements could engage users more effectively.
Excellent points, John. Let's also consider conducting user testing to gather feedback on these changes. We could schedule some sessions with our target audience.
That's a great idea. I'll work on setting up the user testing sessions and preparing the materials needed.
Perfect. Additionally, we need to ensure that our content is optimized for SEO. Do you have any thoughts on that?
Yes, we should update our keywords and focus on creating high-quality, informative content. This will help improve our search rankings.
Agreed. Let's set a timeline for these tasks. I suggest we aim to complete the initial design and user testing within the next 2 weeks. Does that sound feasible?
Yes, that timeline works for me. I'll coordinate with the design team and keep you updated on our progress.
Excellent. Thanks for your input, John. Let's reconvene next week to review our progress and adjust our plans if needed.
Thanks, Sarah. I'll get started right away.
Great. Have a productive day.
You too, Sarah. Talk to you soon.
Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the key action items from today's meeting.
Sure, here's what I have. We'll focus on enhancing the website's user experience by simplifying navigation, updating design elements with a modern color scheme and interactive features, conducting user testing sessions and gathering feedback, optimizing our content for SEO with updated keywords and high-quality content.
Perfect summary, John. For the user testing, I'll also reach out to our marketing team to help recruit participants.
Great. I'll start preparing the materials and coordinate with the design team. I'll also draft the plan for our SEO strategy.
Excellent. Let's also set a checkpoint for our next meeting. How about we meet next Wednesday to review the initial designs and any feedback from the user testing?
Next Wednesday works for me. I'll make sure we have everything ready by then.
Fantastic. Thanks again for your input, John. I'm confident that our team will make great progress on this project.
Thank you, Sarah. I appreciate your guidance. I'm excited to get started.
Likewise. Let's keep up the great work. Have a productive day ahead.
You too, Sarah. Talk to you soon.